What is going on, man? Oh Lord, help me. Oh, pray for the people that lost their lives on this accident. What happened? Oh my God, this is like, what is going on? Oh my, this is not good. This is not good. A lot of cars got piled up. Poor girl. Oh my. What is going on? Oh my God, Lord. Help me. Help them. Oh my God. Oh my. This is not good. Oh my. This is not right. Oh man. Hopefully he's okay. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh man. What happened? Oh man. I hope he's okay. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh God damn. Oh my. That is bad. God, that is not right. Oh, it must be speeding or something. Look at all the ambulance. Oh my. Look at all that. God, it just burned. It was on fire. I-69. Oh. Oh my. All right. Let's drive carefully here.